How to draw a very easy and cute budgie. Step 1. Draw a line like this. And this is the body and the head. Now, okay, to C with 2 points, and now 1 big point here for make the eye. If you want to draw a female, you can draw a line on the eye. Okay, now the beak. The chin. Okay, the wing. And this is our budgie. Let's color it. These are my colors. I choose violet for the body. I'm going to make a purple budgie. Okay, this is our budgie. Let's color the nose. The nose is colored also here, and in the females it's this color. Okay, the beak, a bit of yellow and a bit of this color again. Okay, add the details. And it's finished.